Boy, y'all look at what he done did now. He done put them big meat Larry Hoovers on the back, 305, come alive, boy. Them jumbo humerals on that unit. Plus, he got an EC uterus done. Oh, it got the big molar in the front. He got that high output torch converter. I'm gonna tell you what that's gonna do. That's gonna turn all that hopping and popping into skeeting and yeeting. It's gonna let fire out the back. Smoke gonna be all in the road. Boy, that thing finna get out and catch some yonder. You'll hear it though if you have the windows down.
Yeah, it's loud. It's got the race one. The race blow off valve. It's a lot bigger. Yeah, I didn't know there was one over here.
Is that Jambo?
What is that stage for us? Kicking